A rocket of mass 80 kilogram has 100 kilogram fuel, students. The exhaust velocity of the fuel is 1.6 kilometers per second, students. Calculate the minimum rate of consumption of the fuel so that the rocket may rise from the ground. Also calculate the ultimate vertical speed gained by the rocket when the rate of consumption of fuel. Okay, so in the first case, they've given to us the rate of consumption of fuel. In the first case, they've given to us it's 2 kilogram per second. Okay, that's in the first case they have given to you. Okay, and in the second case, they've given to us in the first case they've given to us 2 kilogram. Okay, per second, and second case, students, they've given to us 20 kilogram per second. Yes, can anybody answer for the students? Hope the question is clear, students.
Sir, meaning in that first case, we have to find the minimum rate of consumption of fuel.
Yeah.
And there is a second question in which we have to find velocities after the rate of consumption is 2 kg per second and 20 kg per second.
Yeah.
So total there is 3 questions, right?
Yeah, there are 3 questions. Absolutely correct. There are 3 questions. Here comes Soumya. Student Soumya is entering the lecture. See so dedicated she is. Yes, anyone? Now, students, can I solve it for you all, students?
No, sir, just a second.
Just try to find out the first part of the question, students. First is they've given to you is calculate the minimum rate of consumption of fuel. Students, what does that mean? Minimum rate of consumption of fuel, that means what exactly they're telling you to find out?
dm by dt.
Absolutely correct. Students, they're telling you to find out dm by dt. Okay, that's the first part. You have to find out dm by dt, students. Yes, anyone? Sparsh, Yana? Yana, can you solve? Oh, Suhani is raising that. Okay, Suhani, chalo, carry on. Tell me.
In the first part, it is asked that we have to find dm by dt when the rocket rises from the ground. So at that point, the weight of the rocket will take equal to the thrust.
Absolutely correct. Students, the rocket is propelled using vertically upward, students. So can I say your upthrust is going to act in the upward direction, the weight of the rocket is acting downwards? Agreed. So in this case, can I say that is just to lift, it has to overcome. Students, for just to lift the ground, the upthrust has to be greater than the weight. Agreed. But what are we trying to go for? Upthrust just equal to the weight. Now, students, can anybody give me the formula for upthrust, which I derived it for your students? I've told you. Yes, Suhani, can you tell me the formula for upthrust?
Upthrust is v minus vr into dm by dt.
VR is a relative. What does VR stands for, Suhani?
relative velocity of the escape of fuel from the rocket.
Yes, relative velocity of the escape of fuel in form of gas with respect to rocket, and that is VR, into negative sign rate of change in mass, that is decrease in mass, dm by dt. And students, negative sign comes over here. Students, the mass of the fuel is getting burnt inside it. So how much is the consumption of the fuel taking place? It's minus dm by dt. And students, I had made this very clear in the last lecture. Again, I'm repeating, students, those students who have understood the formula in the last lecture will be able to get the problems like this. लेकिन जिसने रिवाइज नहीं किया है, जिसने गो थ्रू नहीं किया है, जिसने डेरिवेशंस वापस नहीं किए हैं, everyone will be blocked in these kind of problems. तो देखो अपसर्स का फॉर्मूला, एंड हाउ डिड आई मेड यू क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसको कैसे मैंने सिखाया था, फोर्स इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. तो अपथ्रस्ट विल इक्वल टू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन इन द अपर डायरेक्शन में कंसीडर, एंड मास के हिसाब से क्या लिखा, m, acceleration is what, rate of change of velocity, but it's vr by dt we consider, that means rate of change of mass with respect to velocity. ये तुम्हारा फोर्स हो गया, and what is weight, m into g. Now from here, can you get the value of dm? Yes, dm by dt, what exactly I'll get? Now see, straightforward question. What exactly it will be? It's m into g upon vr. I'll put negative sign over here. What exactly is negative? And if I'm getting the answer in negative, what exactly negative sign represents? Negative sign represents. Are you getting it? That is, it's actually the minimum. It's a rate of consumption. That means this much amount of fuel is consumed. Okay, so that's a rate of consumption of what we consider fuel. So that is in negative. So now can I say my dm by dt will be equal to what? mg upon vr. Now look at the data. What is the data part is given to you, students? Can you look at the data? Have a look at the data. A rocket of mass 20 kilograms is given to you, students. If they say the rocket of mass is 20 kilograms is given to you, then what exactly I consider will be m. Agreed. As 180 kilograms, so can I say total mass? It's 20 plus 180. That is how many? 200 kilograms. Agreed. So I can consider that as a mass of the rocket is 20 kilograms we consider, and having 180 kilograms of fuel. What exactly the exhaust velocity? Exhaust velocity का मतलब क्या दिया है? Relative velocity VR, and that is equal to how much? 1.6 kilometers per second, students. That is given to you. Now can you get the answer? Students, ये कौन सा मास होगा? ये entire weight होगा, students. यानी ये m naught होगा. ये m naught हो जाएगा, students. Agreed? क्योंकि entire weight लेना है तुम्हें, not only rocket. This is without fuel. This is with fuel. तो यहाँ पे जब तुम weight लेते हो, initially when it's uplifting itself, it will be the entire weight. So what exactly will be 200 into 9.8 divided by what exactly the relative velocity is? It's 1.6. This is kilometers per second. Can I convert this into kilometer? Multiply by 1,000. Students, can you get an answer for this? Yes, one. What answer you got it for this? Adarshi has also got the answer. See, students, Adarshi has also got the answer. Minus 1 point. Adarshi, was it 225 you had written? 225 kilogram per second. Students, क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes.
Everybody, all the students inside the group, please. It's Suhan who's answering, but what about the rest of them? Partvi, is it clear with you? Janani, is it clear with you?
Yes, I got the answer.
Okay, fine. What about Yana? Is it clear with you? Yana, is it clear? You don't reply at all. She's not there. It seems I have to take her out. Yana, you're not there or what? Now, can you do the other one? Yes. Can you give me the answer for the next one now? Now students are asking you calculate the ultimate vertical speed gained by the velocity when the rate of consumption of fuel. When the rate of consumption of fuel. Sanjana, is this part clear with you? Sanjana, are you there? Sanjana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Where are you, Sanjana? Where did you go? Can you tell me the next part, students? Okay. Fine, Sanjana. Calculate the ultimate vertical speed, students, gained by the rocket when the rate of consumption of the fuel is given to you. Yes, what about the next second part? Anyone? Now, rate of consumption is given to you. Now, students, when the rate of consumption is fuel is given to you, so how do you go about with that? Any students now, please pay attention. Now they have given to you that if the fuel is consumed at the rate of, that means first case, students, 2 kilograms of fuel is consumed in time 1 second. Students, now please pay attention. I want to find out velocity when all the fuel is consumed. Students, can you tell me how much is the net fuel inside? Then what will be the answer? So the net fuel is 180 kilograms. Students, for 2 kilograms, it takes 1 second. So for 180 kilograms, how much is the time taken? What exactly the time will be?
90
The time will be equal to 180 by 2. That will be equal to how much? 90 seconds.
90.
Agreed. तुम्हें चाहिए velocity. पूछा क्या है? Calculate the ultimate speed gained by the rocket when the rate of consumption of fuel is so and so. I need V. Find velocity after the entire fuel is burnt. So what's the formula? V. If you recollect,
V
we
is
derived
equal
it.
to U minus.
minus GT plus VR ln it.
Very good. Ln m0 upon m. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? What is m0, students? M0 is how much? M0 is equal to 20 plus 180. That's equal to how much? 200 kilograms. Agreed. What is m? Only the mass of rocket. 20 kilogram. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Students,
sir.
is the board visible properly?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I ask you, what exactly the relative velocity is given to you? How much is the relative velocity?
1.6 kilometer per second.
1.6 in the previous case, I've got it. 1.6 kilometers per. What is the initial velocity? I'll take it over here.
0.
0. How much is G given to me?
9.8.
Yes. G is given to me how much? 9.8, students. Agreed? Now can you get the answer? Why not? देखो सारे जब सवाली को डाल दो तो V ये कितना है? U0 minus what exactly G I'll consider will be equal to what? 9.8. into time is how much? 90 seconds. If I want to get my answer in kilometers, I divide this by 1000 plus what exactly the relative velocity? 1.6. This if in case if I happen to solve it, ln. Since I'll try to put forward, that's ln. What exactly? It's m0, 200 by 20. Agreed? So this is 10. So now solving it, can I say v is equal to one of the zeros will get cancelled, students? Are you getting it? So now if I happen to go for the answer, it's 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 81 and 7 is 88. Two more zeros, so it's 0.88 with negative sign plus 1.6. So this is ln 10. So can I say this is 2.303 log of 10 to the base of 10? क्या ये clear हुआ, students? Students, ln 10, ln 10.
Yes.
So can I say if I want to get it, if I want to write this in logarithmic form, students, ln 10, since ln 10 is actually log of 10 to the base of e. But I want to write it in terms of to the base of 10. So 2.303 log of 10 to the base of 10. What is log of 10 to the base of 10 will be 1. So देखो what's my answer? V is equal to minus 0.882 plus 1.6 into 2.303 we consider. And what is log of 10 to the base of 10 is 1. Students, multiply this and subtract by this. You'll get the velocity. And this answer will be in kilometers per second. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? Students, have you all understood, all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Just try to look into it, figure out very clearly. dm by dt दिया है 2 kilogram per second दिया है. Total mass of the fuel is 180. When entire is burned, at that time, what exactly velocity? In time t, that means in 90 seconds, all the fuel is getting burned. If I go for 180, so what is the velocity at that time? Initial velocity during the launch I'll consider will be 0. Plus, and if ln m0 upon m0 क्या है? Total mass. The original or initial, and this is final. Initial is what? Mass of rocket plus mass of fuel. Final is only the mass of rocket. All the fuel has got burnt. And that's how we can get the velocity. Now, the next part of the question, in the same thing, kya change kiya hai? Students, what they have said? Now, suppose if I say that the rate of consumption is not 2 kilograms, it is 20 kilograms in 1 second. Now, students, it's given to us 20 kilograms in 1 second. If 20 kilograms is given in 1 second, so for 180 kilogram, how much it will be? What will be the time? So 180 by 20. Can I say 9 seconds? Now, can I say my method of solving will be exactly same, exactly same, exactly same, except this t instead of 90 will be 9. Agreed?
Yes.
But my answer will be only this value will change, multiply by 9. Agreed? 1 zeros will not be there. The rest everything will be exactly the same. Is it clear, students? Students, are you all getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parthy saying it, yes. Adarshni had got it earlier. Sparsh, are you getting it, Sparsh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Vidhi Paul, Vidhi Parmar? समझ में आ रहा है? Any kind of confusion, please stop and ask right now. What about you, Vidhi Paul? Are you there, Vidhi Paul? Udit, what about you? Disha, Swati,
Yes, sir.
Udit? Udit? Shona, what about you? Shona, your friend is not answering at all. Yana doesn't answer at all. I see Sona, she went.
Sir,
She left the
I'm-
meeting. Acha, Sona,
yes,
why
yes.
you entered late, my dear?
Sir, I have been here from the start.
Okay, fine. Your friend is not responding at all. What happened to her?
I don't know. I will ask her.
Okay, ask her. Okay, she's not. But have you understood this?
Yes, and it is a little tough, but I think I'm getting it.
It was more of what do you call maths involved into it. But
Yes,
I had
yes,
derived this formula in the last lecture. हम लोग ने formula derive किया हुआ था. So if you remember this formula, you'll be able to crack it.
yes.
Okay, can I erase this, students? इसको erase कर दो. Second part अभी तुम solve करना, please. सिर्फ time को यहाँ पे 9 seconds डाल के you can get the answer code. Erase कर दो, students. Can I erase? Sona, can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, the next question, student, second one. The second question speaks about a rocket is moving vertically upward, students. They've given to you that a rocket is moving vertically upward, students, and against gravity. The mass of the rocket, students, is given by its m is equal to m naught minus mu into t, students. Okay, that's what they've given to you. Okay, and that is its mass at time t. Okay, mass at time t is mu naught m0 minus mu into t, and it expels burn fuel at the speed of u. Since the fuel which is burned, it is made to escape with the speed u vertically downwards relative to that of the rocket. अभी ये तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि u क्या है. Look at the wording, students. You'll be able to catch it more easily. क्या पूछा है? Derive the equation of motion of the rocket, but not solve. Just they want an equation of motion. Here, mu is a constant. And they simply want to get the answer for the motion of the body. Maybe velocity or acceleration, whatever you can find out. Students, मुझे ये बताना, listen carefully. Anybody wants to answer for this? Students, in the first problem, what was 20 kilograms and what was 180 kilograms? Do you remember that? 20 kilograms was?
The mass of the rocket,
180 kilograms was?
mass of the fuel.
Okay. Are you getting it? So now if I happen to consider, read the question. A rocket is moving vertically upwards against gravity. Its mass at time t is, its mass at time t is m0 minus mu into t. Okay, at time t. This is what exactly this is actually speaking about.
Instantaneous mass.
This is the mass which is left into the fuel. Are getting it? When some part of the fuel is burned. Since when some part of the fuel is getting burned, the leftover mass is this. Are getting it? M naught I can consider as the original mass. Now they are saying that the rocket expels the burnt fuel. The burnt fuel, which is expelled in form of gases downwards with respect to the rocket, is u. Means can I say that is relative velocity is given to you as u? Students, is that clear? VR will be u. And what they've said it, mu is simply a constant. I need to get a mathematical expression. How do you get a derivation for it? Again, go for the launching of rocket. Since when I speak about launching of rocket, students, your upthrust and the weight of them are to be considered over here. If I happen to say when the rocket just takes off, so can I say your upthrust is equal to the weight of the rocket? Now, suppose if somebody asks you at a certain instant, let the rocket has an acceleration a. So what exactly the acceleration net? Acceleration net. The answer is, students, acceleration net possessed by the rocket will be equal to what? Then what will be? So it's upthrust minus mg upon m. Students, kya ye clear hua?
Yes.
Is this part clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
What exactly I need to find an acceleration? Then an acceleration पूछा है बस. इसका equation चाहिए मुझे. And students, upthrust का तुम्हें formula तो मालूम है? What is the formula for upthrust? Can you tell me the formula for upthrust, students? Students, what's the formula for upthrust?
We are into minus dm by dt.
Absolutely correct. See, students, अगर तुमने formula learn किया होगा तो तुम्हें ये problem आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा. I'm telling you very clearly. Agreed? तो upthrust की जगह पे क्या लिखना है तुम्हें? Sir, it's VR into bracket minus dm by dt. Agreed? Minus. What is m given to you? How much is m given to you? So m is equal to what? M0 minus mu into t upon g. Agreed? Into g, I'm getting it. The whole divided by what? The whole divided by what? Again, small m. What is small m? M0 minus mu into t. Is this clear, students?
Yes.
That means if I want to speak about the equation, this is my equation. The net acceleration process ये तुम्हारा है. अभी देखो तुम्हें equation मिल रहा है dm by dt में. That also you can try to get rid of it. कैसे? ध्यान से सुना, students. What exactly m is known to you? Listen carefully. M is equal to what? M naught minus mu into t. Students, differentiate both the sides with respect to time because I want the formula for dm by dt. तो अगर मैं इसको differentiate करता हूँ dm by dt, students, तो ध्यान से सुनना. Can I differentiate this by dt with respect to time? Is m0 was a constant? Yes, original mass was constant. What is m0? The total mass, fuel plus rocket. So constant terms cannot be differentiated. तो ये तो 0 ही होगा. Minus differentiating mu t by t. Students, differentiating mu t by t तो क्या मिलेगा सर? Mu मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा? हाँ या ना? So what is dm by dt? Minus mu. Are you getting, students? Are you getting this? So now can I say acceleration net possessed by the rocket will be equal to the relative velocity, which is u. Agreed? Minus dm by dt. What is dm by dt? Is minus mu. Minus into minus will be plus mu. The whole divided by m0 minus mu into t minus sine m0 minus mu into t into gravitational acceleration upon m0 minus mu into t. That's a common denominator. So can I say I can cancel this? Am I getting the answer for net acceleration? Yes, it's u into mu upon m0 minus mu t minus g. And this is what the acceleration net possessed by the rocket in meter per second square. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes.
Students, उन्होंने simply पूछा find out an expression, find out only the equation. So this becomes the equation. Again, I repeat, students, what did I do? Listen carefully. Your m was given to you after the fuel was burnt. It's m0 minus mu into t. यानी अगर तुम ध्यान से देखोगे ना, students, everybody listen carefully. Can you rewrite this equation as what? Please pay attention. Can I write on this as m0 is equal to small m plus mu into t? Students? Agreed?
Yes.
Yes.
Yani, can I say this is the total mass? I can consider mass of rocket plus the fuel. Mass of rocket plus the fuel. Agreed? And now when I say the fuel is getting burned, since the fuel is getting burned with respect to time, as time increases, what can I say differentiating mu by t with respect to time? What am I going to get it? इसको differentiate करो. अगर मैं ये ले लेता हूँ small m as the mass और इसको मैं differentiate करता हूँ, what exactly I'm going to get? Simply mu. What does negative sign shows? It's getting exhausted. It's coming out. यानी ये ध्यान में रखना students के equation क्या बताता है? So m is equal to m0 minus mu into t. At time t, this is what the mass of the rocket is. The relative velocity of the exhaust with respect to the rocket is u. Mu is constant. What exactly, when it just lifts itself, when it just overcomes the pull of the earth, ft is equal to mg. But I need to find out at a particular time. So I need to go for upthrust minus mg upon m will be the net acceleration possessed. What's the formula for upthrust? Vr minus dm by dt, substituting this m into g by m. What is m given to me? Substituting this back. Small m over here also. Can I get dm by dt? Yes, I know this m, so differentiating both the side with respect to time, I got it as minus mu, minus into minus will be plus mu. Common denominator getting cancelled, you're getting the answer for acceleration. Is this clear, students?
Yes.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, yes, Aditi, the second part of the previous question is 3.58. Absolutely correct. ये समझ में आ रहा है students, are you getting all of you all? Pranshu, not Pranshu Sharma. Pranshu Sharma, are you a new student? No, it seems like that. Gauri Vishwakarma, are you getting it, Gauri? Gauri, are you getting it? Gauri, I'm not able to hear you. Are you understanding it?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Gauri.
Yes, sir, I'm trying to understand.
Why you're trying to understand, not able to get it? Did you revise the formulas for this?
So
No,
I'll just,
Gauri.
so whatever you're teaching, I'll revise this again, so I'll get it in a better way.
My dear, it's not your school level studies, Gauri. Why don't you understand this? मंडे को मैंने किया था, आज वापस फ्राइडे है और मैंने क्या किया, सिर्फ वही फॉर्मूलाज ले रहा हूँ. मैंने ये फॉर्मूला सिखाया था, ये फॉर्मूला सिखाया था. पीआर का मतलब क्या है, डीएम बाई डीटी का मतलब क्या है, और सिर्फ यही मैथ्स हम लोग ने किया है बस. This part of the maths.
Yes, sir.
If you don't do it, my dear, it's going to be really into a mess. Students, let me ask you, did you do problems on the propulsion of rocket? Huh? Earlier?
Yes.
Laws of motion में किए, ऐसे questions नहीं किए थे तुम लोगों ने? हाँ students? इसमें क्या किया? अभी मैं सिर्फ values दे दूँ तो मैं सिर्फ values substitute करनी है बस, और तुम्हारा आंसर आ जाता है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ मैंने फॉर्मूला लाके छोड़ दिया है. See, this is what something it's a sign of worry. Already you'll have done it in laws of motion, students, earlier. Are you getting it? And sir has done things with you all. Again, things are getting repeated with you all. So on the repetition part of it, it should be much more thorough and clear with it. But now still a big question mark coming forward. Kindu, we don't know. You're not able to do it. You're finding it tough. You're trying to understand. You're listening. These all things are coming out from your end. Okay, third one. Can I erase this? Gauri, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody can give me the answer for the third question, students? Now, come on, everyone should try it out for the third one. Please, you should be able to get the third one. It's a very simple question now. The third question speaks about, students, a rocket of initial mass m0 has a mass m0 1 minus t by t at time t. Okay. The rocket is launched from rest. The rocket is launched from rest, so initial velocity is 0, students. Rest vertically upwards under gravity and expels a burn. That means gives out the exhaust when the fuel is burned at the rate of u relative to the rocket. So u is given to you as a relative velocity, students, in the vertical downward direction. Find the speed of rocket at time t equal to 1 second. Speed of rocket. And you need to find out the velocity v of the rocket at the end of 1 second when some mass of fuel is getting burned. Hope this is very, very clear to all of you. Now, this should be done by almost maximum number of students. If you have understood the formulas properly, if you have understood the previous two questions, इसके लिए मेरी help नहीं चाहिए. I'm giving you all 2 minutes, students. How many of you can get it? Solve it and raise your hands fast. Yes, Soumya. Soumya, can you get it, Soumya? Soumya, are you there? The topper. Shouldn't Soumya only top, na, in the last time?
Yes, sir, 700.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Soumya. Soumya, can you answer, Soumya? Third question. Are you in Mumbai or you are still in your native? Huh, Soumya? Oh my God. See, students, this is an example. ये सारों के लिए एक example है. ध्यान से सुनना. See, such a down to earth Soumya is. She's staying in native. वहाँ पे शायद network होगा भी या नहीं भी होगा. कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता है. Students, with so much of difficulty, she is doing it. And then also she is scoring so well. Learn something from her, students. And see, her grandmother is also not fine. That's why she's all the time taking care of grandmother also. See, so it's all the blessings of grandmother is given to her. She's getting all sorts of blessings from grandmother. Yes, Soumya, that is good enough. ये जो भी तुम marks score कर रहे हो, it's all because of your grandmother का blessings and your hard work. Maybe कभी कभार native में तुम्हारा नेटवर्क स्ट्रांग नहीं होगा, कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता है, फिर भी तुम कितनी अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करते हो. देखो. And she has thrown a challenge. Next time also she's going to score 700 out of 720. Just see. Next major test होने दो. See, Soumya is saying today also she's having a network issue. But then too also she's dedicatedly sitting into the lectures. And there are some students who don't attend the lectures. Some students attend lectures for the sake of attending it. कोई मंडे अटेंड नहीं करता है, कोई सैटरडे करता है, कोई सैटरडे अटेंड नहीं करता है, कोई मंडे करता है, कोई अटेंड करता है और लास्ट हाफ एन आवर में चला जाता है. और कोई मुझे मैसेज करता है कि आदिति, आई एम आदिति सर, आई एम नॉट एबल टू ज्वाइन. ऐसा भी होता है.
Sir, but I'm telling you, I have not texted you anything.
Okay. Okay, I know who's your friend who wants to put you in problem. Come on, enough time I've given students third one. Aditi, can you give an answer for this? Can you unmute yourself and answer?
Sir, I'm still doing.
Oh, she's still doing it. See? But one thing is sure, Soumya, everybody wants to see you at Mira Road branch. You're from Mira Road, na, Soumya? Soumya? Everybody wants to see you. Who's the Soumya who's scoring 700? Even the other house students, even the JE students also. Even the JE students also. No, nobody is after knowing the marks they want to see. पहले नहीं, अभी.
Sir, we have known her, then also we have to see her again.
Yeah. I want to see, I haven't seen her. Oh my God, Sparsh is saying when I'll be coming at Kharghar. I know there are students from Kharghar also. They are saying it. Sparsh is the one who just now posted it. Even the other students also students, and there are good students, huh? Neha is one of them. And a few students who are really good doing over there also. They are also consistently responding it. Sparsh, very soon. Part 3, very soon part 3. You come at Bira Road once. Okay, anybody? Sparsh is Kharghar में शिफ्ट हो जाओ. आ जाता हूँ Kharghar. Oh, Suhani has put forward her answer. Soumya says Mira Road में Kharghar मत जाना. See, Suhani has posted her answer. Suhani, tell me क्या किया तुमने Suhani?
In this M0 MO, sorry sir, MO is given, and M after some time, that is some time it is given. So I used it in the formula of acceleration, that is thrust, force thrust minus weight upon M. And after solving that, I got acceleration. And then I put the formula of acceleration as dv by dt and solved it by integration.
क्यों तुम्हें क्या पूछा है? तुम्हें तो rocket is launched with rest vertical. Find the speed पूछा तो integration करने की जरूरत थी. Can't you take the direct formula for v? V is equal to u minus gt. ये तुमने formula क्यों नहीं लिया? हाँ? Plus relative velocity ln of m0. यही तो लेना था तुम्हें, वो सब integrate
Yes,
करने की
I
जरूरत
took that formula also, but I was not getting the answer. So I thought,
Why not? It's not like that. Over here, you may not get. You will just simply get in terms of logs. वो फिर तुम्हें log निकालना है. अभी देखो ना यहाँ पे. Please everybody listen carefully. Is m0 the initial mass? Means ये m0 क्या है students? Rocket plus fuel. At time t equal to 0. अभी तक launch नहीं हुआ है. Initial velocity is 0. ये clear हुआ सबको? Now see, a rocket of initial mass m0 has a mass. Now what is the mass of the rocket? The mass of the rocket now it is what? It's m0 into bracket 1 minus t by 3. Okay, that's a rocket. But this is at what time? At time t second. Agreed? And at that time, what exactly the velocity we consider? The velocity we need to find out v is question mark. ये तुम्हें पूछा है. And what is the relative velocity of the burnt gas with respect to the rocket? Is u given to you. Now can't you substitute and get the answer accordingly? Yes, v पूछा गया है. What is the initial velocity? So 0 minus g. I'll put it as it is. I'll put t as it is. What is vr के जगह पे? It's u. This is ln. How much is m0? This is actually your mass after time t. So how much is m0 will be equal to? I'll keep it as it is. It's m0 itself only I'll consider. Denominator क्या होगा? m के जगह पे क्या होगा? It's m0 into bracket 1 minus t by 3. Students, this is the mass of the fuel which has been burnt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? A rocket of initial mass m0 has a mass of m0 into bracket 1 minus t by 3 at time small t. So at time small t, some mass of the fuel is getting burned. So what exactly it will be? It's m0 into bracket 1 minus t by 3 is a mass left. So that's what we consider. Now the system will have this mass. क्या ये अभी equation clear हुआ या नहीं हुआ? Then I'll proceed further. Students.
yes,
Now
Yes,
what is?
sir.
Now देखो तुम्हारा क्योंकि तुम्हें u दिया ही नहीं है ना स्टूडेंट्स. ये देखो ना, तुम्हारा relative velocity u दिया है, तुम्हारा equation u में ही आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? तुम सॉल्व ही नहीं कर सकोगे. तुम्हारा एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा, एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा. तो देखो
yes sir,
v.
I also got an expression only.
Okay, v what I'll do, अभी g2 को मैं पीछे ले लेता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. इसको u लिखता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. एग्रीड? ये m0 will get cancelled. Agreed? ln की जगह पे can I write down this is 2.303 log of. I getting it? Can I substitute t as 1 second? Students, can I substitute t as 1 second? So what exactly? It's 1 by 3. So what is 1 minus 1 by 3? What is 1 minus 1 by 3? 2 by 3. So can I say this becomes 3 by 2 to the base of 10? क्या ये clear हुआ students? Minus g into t is 1 second. See what the answer is. V is equal to u into 2.303 log of 1.5 to the base of 10 minus g. This becomes your answer. Time was 1 second, students. तुम g देखोगे तो ऐसा मत ध्यान से सुनना students. Dimensionally, this equation is not correct. Hello, g is what meter per second square. लेकिन into 1 second था students, ये 1 second था और ये meter per second square था. तो ये second and second will get cancelled. That's why answer is in meter per second. ये ध्यान में रखना. मैंने time को already 1 second डाल दिया यहाँ पे. Agreed? Don't get confused. तो ये भी तुम्हारा वेलोसिटी है. देखो ये तो लगातार कहां देखो ये किस में होगा मीटर पर सेकंड में, ये भी मीटर पर सेकंड में होगा. फाइनल आंसर इज मीटर पर सेकंड. इज दिस क्वेश्चन क्लियर नाउ स्टूडेंट्स?
Sir, this is the final answer.
Yes, this is the final answer because u is not given to you. Is it
And I
initial
was-
velocity given to you?
Yes, sir. Even I got it, but I was reading the question continuously to find the value of u.
No, it's the relative velocity is not given to you. You need to read very clearly. The rocket is launched from rest, so u was 0, vertically upwards under gravity, and it expels a burnt fuel. After the fuel has been burned, what is the leftover masses? m0 in bracket 1 minus t by 3 at time t equal at time t seconds. Us time pe what exactly the exhaust which is giving out? What exactly its velocity with respect to rocket is? That is u. So what exactly the question asked is? Under gravity and expels the burn fuel at the speed of u related to rocket vertically downward. Find the speed of rocket. Yani I need to find out v. At the end of 10 time 1 second. Is this clear to all of you all? Sparsh, is it clear? Parthu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shona, is it clear?
So here we don't have to solve the value of log because in that only I got this, but in the, after solving I tried to solve, and because of that only.
No, mind you, no, dear, you have to go for logs. अगर तुम्हें solve करना है तो logs से solve करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर मैंने logarithm value मैंने दिया नहीं तुम्हें ना. You have, I didn't see into the log tables. So it's log of 1.5 to the base of 10. You have to just simply see the natural logarithm students. Agree? And Saud is saying it, sir, Mira Road छोड़ दो, Kharghar छोड़ दो, Copper कहना आ जाओ, Copper कहना. That's what he's saying it. And Suhani, you had given the answers. यानी तुम्हारा answer 0.7 आ रहा है इसका क्या? हाँ?
No, sir. Actually, no. After solving this, so I put that value of log 5, log 3, log 10, and after solving that, I made a mistake in that only, I think.
Okay, fine. Because see, m0 will get cancelled. This is the mass which is left in time t. ये हमेशा see what exactly m0 is the total. See, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना students. Everyone commits mistakes over here. Whenever you write down this equation, students, always keep in mind this is initial and this is final. अगर तुमने formula लिखा होगा तो students वापस formula में लिखो वहाँ पे initial mass and final mass. Final mass means at given time, at given t. यानी at time t जो दिया है ना वो वाला mass यहाँ पे आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये हमेशा initial पकड़ना, ये final. ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखना. यानी मैंने रॉकेट को प्रोपेल किया है and I've made the rocket to run for 100 seconds. At the end of 100 seconds, that means t seconds. How much is what is the mass? Because some fuel is burnt. So what is the leftover mass? Is this, which is a function of time. So हमेशा students numerator को initial रखना, denominator को final रखना. So initial was this at time t equal to 0 seconds, initial speed is 0. The mass after time t is this. You need to find out velocity at that time. Relative velocity of the exhaust is given to you as u. Can I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now students will be going for your momentum, the change in momentum and the concept of impulse, students. Okay, a few questions will be solving for impulse and collisions part of it. And listen carefully, students. Whenever I speak about momentum, students, momentum is simply the product of mass into velocity, students. And I made it very clear that your force, agreed, your force is actually given by the formula rate of change of momentum, students, dp by dt, students. Agreed. The concept of impulse, students, impulse is actually, denoted by variable j with an arrowhead, students. Impulse, I made it very clear earlier also, impulse, students, is that maximum force. Is that maximum force which is acting on a body for a very short interval of time. Students, a particular impact is taking place in a very short interval of time is simply called as impulse. Therefore, impulse is a vector quantity and its unit is Newton second. Students, you must have 110% learned in laws of motion. Students?
Yes, sir.
Now, iska ek simple illustration agar main deta hu, students. Let us think in this manner, students. Suppose ye south hai. Okay. Okay. South is going for a long jump. Okay. He's going for a long jump. Okay. Into his school. Okay. He's going for a long jump into his school. Okay. North Point School ke andar. He goes for he's representing the school for inter schools. Is that clear? Inter school competition ke liye, YMCA ke liye bhi ja raha hai, Colgate ka meets ke liye ja raha hai. Okay. And then he's going to represent state. Okay. Then he's going to represent a nation in that case. Okay. And then he'll go for Commonwealth. Then he'll go for Olympics. Okay. So uske liye he starts with a long jump. Now South is running. He's running. Okay. And there are certain very good students over here, all her friends, okay, all are cheering him. He's running. South to hai ki nahi hai? Are you there into the lectures or you're going to sleep? Are you there, South?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so South is over here, okay, and he is over here, okay, and he's running the race. Okay, he's running the race. Now he's running, and when he reaches at the benchmark, okay, he takes a huge leap, students. Okay, he takes a huge leap in that case. Okay, and he tries to go for parabolic. And as he lands to the ground, he sees the surface is concrete. Students, yahan se usne leap liya hai, and as he lands on the ground, he sees a concrete surface. What is going to happen? Yes, he's going to hit the surface. He's going to hit the surface with maximum force, and that also in very short time. So can I say, what about the impulse? What about the impact? Is more. So the impact as a feel हो रहा है ना, ऐसा feeling आ रही है कि बहुत बड़ा impact हो गया. हाँ
सर हो चुका है.
अगर ना हो चुका है, okay. ना suppose अगर मुझे impact को कम करना है, मुझे impulsive force को कम करना है, तो क्या करूँगा? सर ऐसा करते हैं ना, concrete को हटा के यहाँ पे I'll put a small dig and I'll try to put some sand inside it. Now see, there is some sand. Now when South is jumping and he's landing onto it, will he get that more impulse? No, because as he comes in contact with the ground, students, the time of impact increases. Now time is no more short, students. The time of impact increases. Therefore, the force of impact decreases. Product remains constant. समझ में आ रहा है? तो अगर किसी ने पूछा what is impulse? Impulse is that maximum force acting for a very short interval of time. In order to have minimum impact, my time of contact should be more. जितना time of contact बढ़ेगा उतना impulsive force कम होगा. The product of it remains constant. The unit is Newton's second. If one asks you, can impulse be simply considered as change in momentum also? Why not? It's force into time, so simply change in momentum. I can consider its final minus the initial. I'll consider a change in momentum. That is what we speak about the concept of impulse we consider. Now, suppose if I give you a simple relation for it, students, okay, a certain few examples. Think as if there is a huge wall, okay, and a truck is moving towards it, students, and it's going to hit the surface, students. A truck of mass is given to us how much? 2 into 10 is 30 kilograms. Okay, sorry, 2 into 10 is 3 kilograms, not 30. 2 into 10 is 3 kilograms, students. Okay, it's traveling at the speed of 4 meters per second. That's the velocity of this particular truck, and it is brought to rest. That means its final velocity is 0. Okay, in how much time? 2 seconds. While it strikes the wall. Students, the question asked is, what force is exerted by the wall onto the truck? Force exerted by wall onto the truck. Can you find out, students? Anyone? A truck of mass 2 into 10 to 3 kilograms is going at the speed of 4 meters per second, hits the wall, and finally we consider as it is brought to rest, and it's brought to rest in time 2 seconds. Question पूछा क्या है? What is the force exerted by the wall onto the truck? Yes, anybody? Force exerted by the wall on the truck. Every action is an equal to opposite reaction. What is the force exerted by the truck? So the force exerted by the truck is simply equal to what? Is simply equal to what? No idea, Aditi. I have to go for conservation of energy. यहाँ पे तुम्हारा force exerted by the truck by the wall on the truck चाहिए ना? तो देखो ना, initial truck क्या speed से जा रहा है? mu. Final mv. Is there any change in momentum? Yes. In how much time? हो गया.
So, sir, we will use change in linear momentum.
Yes. Impulse. What exactly impulse, students? Impulse is that maximum force. Students, maximum force exerted for a very short time. Students, ये जो force है, it's a force exerted by truck onto the wall. Can I say there's a reaction force also, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction? Yes. Can I write an impulse as F into T? Why not? Is your impulses also change in momentum? Hi, Anna. What is the mass of the truck given to you? 2 into 10 raised to 3. What is the final velocity? 0. What is the initial velocity given to you as? 4. How much is the force exerted in time 2? Am I getting the answer in positive or negative? Am I getting the answer in positive or negative, students? You're getting the answer in negative. See the answer I'm getting it. Ye 2 and 2 will get cancelled, students. What's my answer? Minus 4 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Kya ye clear hua, students? Is this your force? Is this your force of action or the force of reaction? Pardon?
Force of reaction.
It's a force of
Force
reaction.
positive आएगा because it is applied by the wall.
Pardon?
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि force should be positive ना, because it is applied by the wall. The force applied by the truck is negative.
Either you can consider, मैंने क्या बोला, impulse is that maximum force. Who's applying force we can consider in that case? If in case if I'm speaking about with respect to, this is what if I consider, अगर मैं truck के हिसाब से जाऊँगा, are you getting it? So there's a force exerted by the truck onto the wall or onto the wall. There is a reaction force. So either I can consider reaction and action. There is one force exerted by the truck onto the wall. A reaction force is exerted by the wall onto it. तो अगर मैं बोलूं कि फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 है, तो ये जो मेरा मैक्सिमम फोर्स वो क्या होगा? I can simply consider the force of reaction. Now this reaction force you can also consider as what? By the wall or by the truck. That is as per the observer's point of view. action कौन कर रहा है? Tell me who's doing the action in this case?
Truck.
Yes. So one force is done by the truck onto the wall. The reaction force will be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So impulse is that maximum force acting in a very short interval of time. Impulse can be written as mv minus mu. Force is known to you and time t is known to you. Yana, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase the students?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one, students, okay? Suppose if I happen to give you a graph of force versus time, students, okay? Force is in Newton and time is in seconds. Of course, I'm going to get impulse. Now, in this case, students, a particle of mass is given to you, a particle of mass 2 kilograms, okay? Initially at rest, so U is equal to 0, students. Initially at rest, U equal to 0, okay? A force starts acting on it in one direction whose magnitude changes with time. That means force is changing with respect to time. And when you see at the force is changing. Let us say the force is 10 newtons in the time 2 seconds. Okay. Then for the next 2 seconds, the force remains constant. So 4 seconds. Then again for the next 2 seconds, the force increases to 20 Newton. That is 6 seconds. Then finally, the force is brought to 0 in time 10 seconds. This is the graphical way of representation. So is your force changing with respect to time? Yes. This is a graphical representation. So a body of mass 2 kilograms initially at rest, a force acts onto the body which changes with respect to time, students. The force time graph is given to you. Students, question asks us find the velocity of the particle. Find the velocity of the particle at the end of 10 seconds. Hope the question is clear to all of you. Find the velocity of the particle at the end of 10 seconds. Friends, is the question clear? Shona, is the question clear, Shona?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mass is 2 kilograms, initial velocity is 0, find out the velocity at the end of 10 seconds. Yes, anyone? Students, can I give the answer for it? Students?
So wait for a minute.
Okay. Part 3. Very good. Somebody has replied. Jana, कब से नहीं बोलने वाली लड़की अभी बोलना शुरू कर दिया? Jana, थोड़ा सा टोटलिंग में क्या हो रहा है तेरा? गलती क्यों हो रहा है? Sneha, you are absolutely correct. And Jana, you are one value short of it. Can I just check your calculation?
Excuse me, sir.
This is 246, yes.
Sir, I'm sorry, but can you just repeat?
Very good, Janania. तो एकदम सो जाती है. You just go to sleep.
Sir, no, sir.
No, you're not answering nowadays. Nowadays, you're not answering at all.
Sir, I'll answer, sir, but can you just repeat?
Okay. What kind of a graph do you see it? It's a graph of what? Force versus time.
Yes,
So force is changing with respect to time.
yes.
Okay. A body of mass m initially starting from rest. You have to find out the velocity of your body at the end of 10 seconds looking at force time graph.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Kya baat hai, Janani? Most welcome. At times, not always, because always you go to sleep. Yeah, Janani, she's showing her big tongue.
Sir, it's my mistake, sir. I wasn't paying attention, so I know.
I know that all the time you don't pay attention. Yana, can you tell me, Yana, what's your answer?
Sir, I've sent it.
Yes, absolutely correct. कैसे करोगे बताओ, Yana, tell me how to do it.
Sir, impulse is equal to change in momentum. From this
Absolutely
graph,
correct.
we will find
Impulse is
impulse
F
first.
into T. Yeah,
The area under the graph is the impulse.
very good. So F into T is the area under the graph. Area under the graph, okay, will be equal to impulse. And that can be written as what? Change in momentum also. Agreed?
Yes.
And what is the area under the graph? Means can I say first, second, third, and fourth? Are you going for 4 graphs?
Yes, it's 100.
Very good. The area of the first, यानी तुम क्या करोगे students? Area of triangle 1 plus area of rectangle plus area of third one, what will it be? Trapezium plus area of fourth will be a triangle again. Agreed, students?
Yes.
So for the fourth one.
Initial velocity is 0.
Okay. No, give me the
So,
area part. Give me the area part. First is what? Half into base. Height is 10. Agreed?
yes. 10.
Plus second के लिए क्या होगा? Second के लिए क्या होगा? Length into breadth.
20.
Okay, length into breadth. यानी ये part होगा. So can I say it's 2 into 10? Then what exactly the area of trapezium? Sum of parallel sides into height. Yes, what's the formula for area of trapezium? Half sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? 10 plus 20. And what is the height? 6 minus 4. 2
2.
seconds. Plus area of the fourth triangle will be half into base into height. How much is the base?
40.
10 minus 6 will be 4. And height will be how much? 20. Students, kya ye clear hua what Yana is saying it?
Yes.
And that is equal to m into v minus u upon t. So what exactly m is given to us 2. Final velocity pucha gaya, initial is 0. Can you get the answer for velocity, students? And you'll get the answer. How much you got it, Yana?
50.
50 meter per second. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes. Done.
Yes, sir.
Students, one more question. Okay. Listen carefully, students. A bullet of mass. A bullet of mass 10 raised to and please everybody try to solve this, okay? And this you must have learned in laws of motion also. A bullet of mass 10 raised to -3 kilograms, students, strikes an obstacle and moves at 60 degrees to its original direction. Students, yahan pe it has to go straight. Okay, it strikes an obstacle. Path should have been straight. Okay, strikes an obstacle and moves 60 degrees to its original direction. So now it deviates at an angle of 60 degrees with respect to its original direction. Okay. If its speed also changes from 20 meter per second to 10 meter per second, let us say the speed of it initial, okay, will be 20 meter per second. Let me take this as my reference frame. Okay, I can consider that in terms of I cap. Let me take this as my horizontal x-axis. Agreed. I can take it in this way. I can take it in terms of I cap. Okay. And what exactly the final velocity? I'll consider V is 10 meter per second. Agreed. The final velocity is 10. Initial we consider is 20 meter per second, and final is 10 meter per second. Students, V. Find the magnitude of impulse acting on the bullet. Students, पूछा गया है find magnitude of impulse. Students, magnitude of impulse acting on the bullet. Students, is the question clear to all of you all? Students, a bullet of mass so and so, it's moving. Let us say the initial, I'll put it as U. Okay, let me take simply in terms of U, and B is a final velocity, students. It is moving at 20 meters per second. It hits an obstacle. This is an obstacle, students, in its path. So one force is exerted by the bullet onto the obstacle. A reaction force is given by the obstacle onto the bullet. The bullet changes its path at an angle of 60 degrees from the straight path. The final velocity, but of course, it's 10 meters per second, students. Question is asked, find the magnitude of impulse. Yes, anybody? Is the question clear? Sharani, question is clear to you?
Sir, can you repeat it? Sir, I got it, but some values.
Again, you do the same thing. When I speak out your name, in that time only you speak out. Very good, very good.
Sir, the mass of bullet 10 raised to minus 3 kgs moves from at 60
Moves with
degrees.
an initial speed. Moves with an initial speed of
Oh, okay, sir, I got it.
20 meters per second. Strikes an obstacle in its path. Agreed.
Yeah. Sir, I got it. Sir, I understand.
And it deviates. The bullet deviates at an angle of 60 degrees to its original direction. The final velocity of the bullet is 10 meters per second. Find the magnitude of impulse acting on the bullet.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Ullu banawing, naughty girl. Yes, anybody, students? Suhani has got the answer somewhere. Root 3 10 raised to minus 2. Yes, Suhani. Newton second. Bolo. Absolutely correct. क्या करोगे?
In this, the initial velocity is given and the final velocity is also given. So for the final velocity, we'll take its components and
Absolutely correct.
and find the momentum as impulses change in momentum. No, so find the impulse in the x-axis and in the y-axis, and then take its magnitude.
Okay, now the answer is Sunna. What is the impulse along x-axis and what is the impulse along y-axis? Impulse is what? Everybody listen carefully. ये final velocity है. Can I resolve this V into two components? So तुम्हें horizontal और vertical मिल गया. ये theta है, students. I get it. So can I say this is V cos 60? V cos 60 का आंसर क्या होगा, students? तुम बोलोगे सर ये 10 है. Agreed, what is cos of 60? Half. So can I say our answer will be equal to how much? 5 meter per second, students. This is V sine 60. How much is V? 10. Sine 60 is √3 by 2, students. So what's our answer? 5 √3. Is it along y-axis? Yes. This is, we consider this along j cap. So minus 5 √3. J cap is a final velocity. This is 5 I cap meters per second. That is along x-axis we consider. I can take this as final velocity along x and final velocity along y. I can take it. लेकिन students, मुझे क्या पूछा है? Magnitude of impulse. Students, impulse का मतलब क्या है? Students, impulse can be written as what? It is maximum force acting for a short time. Agreed. This is one mathematical relation. क्या यहाँ पे force और time दिया है? नहीं दिया है. Can I say impulse is also simply rate of change of momentum? Absolutely correct. So should I go for this relation or should I go for the next one? Then I need to go for this. So now can you find out the impulse? So sir, I've got final velocity. This initial velocity is known to me. Yes. So can I say, students, what is the impulse along x-axis? What is impulse along x-axis? So what exactly the formula is? Mass of the bullet into final velocity along x-axis. I'll consider will be the initial velocity I'll consider. Agreed. So how much is Vx? If I happen to consider, students, how much is Vx? It's 5 minus 20 I can consider in this case. Are you getting it? So it's final minus the initial I'll consider. So now if I say final minus initial, so 5 minus 20. So can I say this is minus 15 I cap? How much is mass given to you? 10 raised to minus 3. So can I say it's minus 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram meter per second. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Negative sign क्या हो रहा है? Because of the collision, the direction of is changed because acting on the bullet, force exerted by the obstacle. Now the obstacle is exerting a reaction. Same thing, can you find the impulse over here also? Why not along y-axis? So what is the impulse along y-axis? I can consider it the same. Mass into change in velocity. How much is the change in velocity I can consider in this case, students? How do you go about with this, students? Change in velocity. Is there any velocity along y-axis, students? Students, do you have any velocity along y-axis, students? ये तो horizontal था ना? Students?
We have V sine 60.
So V sine 60 only, my answer is minus 5 √3 j cap. That's all.
Yes.
Because इसका देखो ना, जब तुमने resolve किया, there is no component in the upward direction which is trying to, ये दोनों एक direction में आ रहा है, students. And now I'm taking this part of it. यानी तुम्हारा mass into what? Velocity I'll consider as 5 √3 into what? 10 raised to minus 3 is the mass of the bullet. Negative j. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes.
Is this clear? Now can I get the magnitude? I want magnitude. Can I say it be simply under root gx square plus jy square? क्या ये clear हुआ? I know the value of gx. I know the value of gy. I need to find out the resultant of these two. You can remove 10 raised to minus 3 outside. So 10 raised to minus 3 will be outside, students. ये square है. Bracket में क्या आ जाएगा? Root के अंदर क्या आ जाएगा, students? I can consider will be 15 square plus how much? 5 √3 the whole square. Solving this will be your final answer. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? Students, is it clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, students, on page number 124, there are unsolved problems given to you. I want to solve that right now. The first, second, and third introductory exercise, okay? And these are all based on to law of onto momentum and impulse. Yes, page number 124, part B. Students, page number 124, the 3 questions. I'll speak on the first question, students. A particle of mass 1 kilogram is projected from the ground. Okay, the first question. Particle of mass 1 kilogram is projected from ground at an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal and at a velocity of 20 meters per second. And initial velocity is 20 meters per second, students. Okay. Now this everybody should get it, huh, students? Please, everyone should get it. Find the magnitude of change in velocity in 1 second. Take g as 10 meters per second squared. पूछा क्या students? Find out magnitude of change in velocity at the end of 1 second. Hope the question is clear to all of them. Students, is the question clear?
Yes.
Come on, the most intelligent student will be able to answer. Soumya, are you there, Soumya? No, she's not there. Hey, Soumya, chali gayi? No, she's there. Soumya, come on, the most intelligent student will answer. Student, she only scored, na, 700. Soumya, are you there? Soumya, can you hear me? Soumya, can you hear me? No, I wanted to answer right now, Soumya. Fast. Suhani has got the answer. This is the correct answer. And Yana, magnitude पूछा है तो क्या कर रही है? Suhani, Yana is correct. You are incorrect, Suhani. Yana, magnitude पूछा है. Okay,
Actually, I
students,
did not
everybody
see
please
that.
agree. Okay, students, with answers, students, let us go for this. Okay, please pay attention, students. अगर मैं ये initial में यहाँ से इसको project करता तो ये U है, students. Can I resolve this into two components? तुम बोलेंगे सर हाँ सर, ये UX होगा और ये UI होगा. So students, what exactly the velocity along x-axis will be? It's U cos 60 I cap. So can I get an answer? Sir, it's 20 into half I cap. So can I say this is 10 I cap meter per second along x-axis? What is UI initial? We'll say it is U sine 60 J cap positive. So can I say that will be equal to how much? It's 20 into root 3 by 2. So can I say this is 10 root 3 J cap meter per second? क्या ये clear हुआ, students, everyone? Is this much clear to all of y'all? Students,
Yes,
is this
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So what exactly my resultant, students? The initial velocity U will be, it will be UX plus UY. Agreed, that's my initial velocity I'll consider. So what is UX? So UX is 10I plus 10 root 3 J. Agreed? ये मेरा initial velocity है. Now, after 1 second, students, after 1 second, so let us go for the launch again. Everybody listen carefully. बॉडी को मैंने यहाँ पे लॉन्च कर दिया स्टूडेंट्स. सोचो कि अगर 1 सेकंड में बॉडी यहाँ पे आ गया स्टूडेंट्स, at the end of 1 second the body has reached over here. So now can I say this becomes my final velocity v? Can I resolve this v into two components again? Yes. Now this is my final velocity. So can I say final velocity, students, is v at the end of 1 second, and this can be resolved into two, vx and vy, है ना? तो vx क्या होगा सर? प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी तो ऑलवेज रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, तो vx हमेशा क्या होगा सर? vx जो मेरा ये वाला था वही रहेगा ना, u cos थीटा ही रहेगा, आया ना स्टूडेंट्स? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? For projectile motion, can I say the horizontal velocity all the time remains constant because acceleration along the horizontal is 0? Suhani, Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Parthvi,
Yes, sir.
Neha, what about all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Above all, Soumya, above all. Soumya, is it clear? Reply नहीं करिए Soumya. Network issue है बेचारे का. Students, don't do like that, okay? ये Vx है. What is the velocity along y-axis, students? What is the velocity along y-axis? So simply I'll use the formula, sir. V is equal to u plus at. Velocity along y-axis, y-axis, y-axis. I need to find a velocity along y-axis. So can I say what is Vy? What is the initial velocity along y-axis? The initial velocity along y-axis is uy. And what is uy? U sine theta. Agreed? Agreed, students? Plus acceleration of y-axis, that is minus g in time t. Students?
Yes.
So can I say this is along j cap? Yes. अगर मैं इसको solve करता हूँ students तो क्या आंसर आ रहा है? तो ये क्या होगा? U is how much? Sir, U is 20. Sine of 60 यानी √3/2 minus 10t into j cap. तो क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 10√3 minus 10t into j cap. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ students? हाँ students, is this clear Vy?
Yes.
What is Vx? Vx is u cos theta I cap. And what is u cos theta I cap? Is 10i. Agreed? So what is my final velocity? Since my final velocity will be equal to what? Vx plus Vy. How much is Vx? 10i. How much is Vy? 10√3 minus 10t. That's my final velocity. Agreed? This is I and this is j. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? पूछा क्या है? चेंज इन वेलोसिटी. तो फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, इसमें से इसको सबट्रैक्ट करना है स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें से इसको सबट्रैक्ट करना है. तो ये माइनस में आएगा, ये भी माइनस में आएगा. तो कैन आई से दिस इज 10i, दिस इज minus 10i. कैन आई से दिस विल गेट कैंसल्ड. प्लस 10√3j minus 10√3, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. What exactly change in velocity will be? Minus 10 t j cap. At the end of how much time? 1 second. So what is change in velocity will be? Minus 10 j meter per second. लेकिन पूछा क्या है? Magnitude. So what is magnitude? 10 meter per second. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just one person is raising hand, students. What about one person is hand? What about rest of them? Students, एक simple logic था. जब मैंने initial launch किया तो मैंने क्या किया? ux और uy find out किया. तो what is the resultant velocity by vector ux plus uy? तो मेरा initial velocity मिल गया. अभी फाइनल के लिए तुम क्या करो ना, 1 सेकंड के बाद में बॉडी यहाँ पे पहुंचा. स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ध्यान से देखो, बॉडी ये प्रोजेक्टाइल का कंसेप्ट है और मैं बता चुका हूँ. मोमेंटम, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम भी बोला हम लोग ने, फाइंड आउट किया है बिटवीन हियर एंड इन टाइम t. Students, if you check out your notes, at the end of time t, we have also found out change in momentum from here to the maximum height. We have also found out change in momentum to the ground also. 2 mu आया था आंसर. और एक्सरसाइज में भी ये प्रॉब्लम हम लोग ने किए हुए हैं. तो तुम्हें अगर मोमेंटम पूछा है, चेंज इन मोमेंटम था, ये चेंज इन वेलोसिटी पूछा है। यहाँ पे मास किसी में लिया ही नहीं, मास कहाँ पे भी नहीं लिया, क्योंकि चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, अगर चेंज इन मोमेंटम होता तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 आता, m इंटू डेल्टा वी हो गया। अभी मुझे वेलोसिटी चाहिए, तो वेलोसिटी आफ्टर टाइम 1 सेकंड यानी फाइनल वेलोसिटी भी होगा, इसी को भी रिजॉल्व करते थीटा, तो vx और vy। अभी देखो हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी क्या होगा, बोले सर हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी तो कांस्टेंट रहेगा, हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी तो कांस्टेंट रहता है ना, क्योंकि इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज नॉट कंसीडर्ड इन दैट टाइम। तो व्हाट इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी, तुम्हारा u cos थीटा ही होगा, और u cos थीटा का हम लोग ने आंसर निकाल दे दिया था, तो ये आ गया था मेरा। सिर्फ मुझे वेलोसिटी अलोंग बाय एक्सिस चाहिए था, तो अगर मुझे वेलोसिटी एट द एंड ऑफ 1 सेकंड चाहिए तो v = u + at यूज करूंगा ना। यानी अगर कोई बॉडी को तुमने ऊपर फेंका है तो 1 सेकंड के बाद में उसकी वेलोसिटी क्या होगी, तो ये फॉर्मूला आएगा। इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या है सर, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी हमने uy कितना मिला, uy मिला 10√3, ये देखो 2 10 तो 10√3 मिला, माइनस g इंटू टी, तो ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया। व्हाट इज द रिजल्टेंट वेलोसिटी, ये और ये दोनों ऐड कर दिया मैंने। हमें क्या चाहिए, चेंज फाइनल माइनस द इनिशियल, फाइनल माइनस द इनिशियल, इसमें से इसको सबट्रैक्ट करना है, तो ये नेगेटिव साइन कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आंसर will be in this. Negative sign shows that it's directed downwards, change in velocity. Agreed, students? Chinnani, is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
What about the rest of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vidhi Parmar is not there in the lecture. Remove. Adarshini, is it clear with you? Gauri, is it clear with you? Sparsh, is it clear? Sparsh? Gauri? Gauri, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Udit, Tisha? Udit and Tisha? Udit, is it clear? Udit, are you there? He's not there. Removed him. Shona, are you there? Is it clear? Sneha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Soumya, what about you, Soumya? Oh, Soumya is showing me a thumbs up. Soumya, तुम्हें बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, तुम्हें तो एकदम crystal clear होगा. South, what about you? South.
Yes, sir, I understood. Sir, शायद से question
Priyanka, Pranshu. Priyanka, Pranshu. Om.
Yes, sir, clear.
And Aditi, who was supposed to remain absent.
Sir, I even sent you the answer, but you didn't even responded to that.
Oh my God, ये तो लड़कियां ने मार डालेगी मुझे। कभी इसका चांस मिलेगा ना स्टूडेंट, हाँ संजना, सुहानी, अदिति को चांस
Yes,
मिलेगा,
sir.
मेरे को क्लासरूम में पकड़ लेगी, कोने में लेके जाएगी और फटाफट फटाफट ऐसे से बॉक्स करके ऐसे मारने लगेगा। तू सुनता नहीं है, समझता क्या अपने आप को, है ना? तो वही
सच्ची मार डालेगी।
हाँ, शी इज कैरिंग मी। तो फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठती है और एकदम एग्रेसिवली शी सेड इट वेरी, मैंने कब से आंसर लिखा, आप देखते नहीं हो करके। Okay, students, come on, second and third. Can you give an answer for the second one?
No,
And
sir, it's not like that.
okay, but this question was done by Yana, and Yana did it very properly. Okay, can I erase this? Chalo, erase kar diya maine. Students, can you give an answer for the second one? Velocity of particle of mass 2 kilograms varies with time t according to the equation. So velocity is varying with respect to time t, and it's given as 2t I cap minus 4, sorry, plus 4j meter per second. Velocity is changing with respect to time, students. Here t is in seconds. Find the impulse imparted to the particle in time interval from t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. See, Aditya's got the answer. Impulse, students, impulse is that maximum force acting for a very short interval of time, Newton second. And मुझे force into time चाहिए. And what is force? Students, rate of change of momentum. So can I say force is equal to m into dv by dt, mass into acceleration? Yeah, what is the mass of the body? Mass of the body is given as 2 kilogram. Everybody got it, students? Very sweet time.
Sir, I've sent you the answer.
Oh,
Sir, I have also sent it.
very good. Most of all, ये तुम लोग ने किया है लगता है, हाँ? सब लोग ने ये शायद किया है क्वेश्चन वर्क और सॉरी लॉस ऑफ मोशन में. Very good. The answer is 8 students. Everybody is getting the answer. Okay.
Sir, in
Jana
this
was the
question,
first. Huh?
क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
Jana, you were the first one to get it. Naughty girl.
Sir, in this question, can we do impulse is equal to change in momentum?
Impulse is equal to, no my dear, F into T. You have to go for integration.
Because m we have velocity, we can find at 0 also, in velocity at 2 seconds also we can find. Na?
Yes, you are given the limits now. You have got the limits. यानी अगर तुम पहले एक्सेलरेशन निकालोगे स्टूडेंट्स तो रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी आएगा. तो एक्सेलरेशन कितना मिल रहा है तुम्हें स्टूडेंट्स? 2i मिलेगा. हाँ, डिफरेंशिएट करो. आएगा ना एट द एंड ऑफ 1 सेकंड में. एग्रीड? तो तुम्हें 2i मिलेगा तुम्हें डिफरेंशिएट करने के बाद में. Now suppose if I have to go for force, what exactly force will be equal to? Mass कितना दिया है 2 into acceleration is 2i. So can I say 4i Newton? What exactly impulse? Integration of F into what we consider? dt. T1 to T2. है ना? तो impulse क्या होगा तुम्हारा? Force. That is integration of 4 into dt. Initial time कितना दिया है? 0. Final time कितना दिया है? 2 seconds. Yes. So can I say 4 to minus 0? So what's my answer? 8i. अगर मैं i में लिखता हूँ तो 8i हो जाएगा. Unit is Newton second. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Okay. Can I erase this, students? इसको erase कर दो. Maximum students have got this. Can I erase this, students?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Shona also got it. Third one, students, the last question. चलो, anyone who can give an answer for the third one. शायद ये भी किया होगा तुम लोगों ने laws of motion में. Students है ये question. और नीट में भी पूछा गया है, students. ये तो आना ही चाहिए. सबको आना चाहिए थर्ड वाला. सबको आना चाहिए थर्ड वन. Soumya, can you answer Soumya for the third one? Soumya, क्या तुम आंसर दे सकते हो? अरे Soumya is telling me to wait. देखा? Students, she's trying it. She's trying really hard. And she's taking care of her grandma also. समझ में आ रहा है? Students, the question is a ball of mass 1 kilogram. Okay, this is a ball of mass 1 kilogram. Is attached to its inextensible string. The ball is released. Friends, ball को मैंने यहाँ से पकड़ के रखा और मैं इसको release कर रहा हूँ. Okay, released from the position shown in the figure. Find the impulse imparted to the string to the ball immediately after the string been taut. Taut का मतलब it has to be stretched tightly. Oh, Chanani has given the answer. Absolutely correct. Soumya has also given the answer. Absolutely correct.
Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
So, but the answer is like, it's a very unusual answer, sir. What I am getting.
What's the answer you're getting?
Sir, I am getting something like 2 root 10.
Absolutely correct. Sean also got the same answer. तुमने तो root 10 and root 10 is 3.2. सौम्या ने तो 6.4 भी बोल दिया. समझ में आ रहा है? सौम्या ने तो डेसिमल में भी आंसर लिख दिया था. 6.28 लिखा है सौम्या ने. क्योंकि रूट ऑफ 10 is 3.16. और उसके पास में देखो कैलकुलेटर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. She took the perfect value of root 10 and she got the correct answer. The most correct, precise answer is by Soumya. Aditi says Soumya is in another level. Of course, when you take care of your grandma, things becomes better. Students, it's a blessings. Okay, students. अभी तो कोई आंसर मैंने अगर release कर दिया तो now can you tell me how is the string going to be? So the string is going to be stretched tightly. यानी यही string अगर नीचे आ जाता है students, so now can I say the string will be over here and the stone is over here? What is the length of the string? So this is 1 meter. तो अगर ये 1 meter है तो ये भी कितना हो जाएगा? 1 meter हो जाएगा. So this is 1 and 1. So what is exactly the total height the body has been released? It's 2 meter. What is the initial velocity? 0. Can you find the final velocity? Why not? It's a free fall. Students, it's a free fall. And for a free fall, what exactly the body of velocity will be? Under 2gh.
Root 2gh.
V square is equal to u square plus 2gh. U is 0. I get तुम्हारा answer. V is equal to, and the string is taut. When you release it, what happens? The string becomes taut. The word taut का मतलब it is stretched tightly. Agreed? Yeah, I know that, Soumya. It's the time to get over. That's why my voice is cracking. 2 into G students is given to us how much? How much is D given to us? 10. Height is how much? 2. So then I said this becomes root of 40. So what's our answer? 2 root 10 meter per second. And students, you won't believe Soumya took 3.16, and that's the correct value of root of 10. She multiplied by 2 also. Itna fast. Students, सबसे fast किया उसने. After 6 2s are 12. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. 3 2s are 6. That many meter per second. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So students, what have you learned at the end of the session? Bottom line kya सीखा है? If you want to score, what do you have to do? Take blessings from your elders also. No, take blessings
Take
from your
care of
elders.
grandparents.
Yes, you have to take care of grandparents also. That is also utmost, along with studies, along with physics, do that also. Okay, students? That's good. Chalo, bye. Okay, students, next lecture will be continuing further.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
What-
sir. Bye, sir.
Chalo, bye-bye.